We are going to recap the difference between equations and expressions. It's pretty simple. It's really just about the equal sign. So let's take a look at what an equation is and what an expression is. All right, let's take a look at an equation first. So the equation is going to be all about the equal sign, okay? When we have an equation, it's going to be something is equal to something, okay? So you might see it look like this. You might see 4x equals 12. You may see x plus 6 equals 10. You could also see 3 plus 6 equals 9. There's all different ways we could show it, but the common thing here is the equal sign, okay? If it has an equal sign, it's an equation. Just like the word kind of starts with the word equal, almost. Okay, so that can help you remember that an equation has an equal sign. Now, you may also see it in word form. And if you were looking at it in word form, it might say something like this: a number plus 4 is 9. Okay, could look something like that. So if we were going to write that out using the words, we would say a number, whatever the number is, we don't know yet, so we'll just give it a number plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, is tells us that it's equal. Okay, so again, we have the equal sign, which tells us that it is an equation. Okay, let's do another example of a word form. So let's say m plus 7 equals 10. Okay, you can see it might be in a variety of different ways. M plus 7 equals 10. So if we were to write this out, we would say m plus 7 equals 10. The word equals tells us that we are going to have an equal sign. So that is an equation. So remember, equations have the equal sign. That's our cue. That's what we're looking for. In word problems, we're looking for words that mean equals. So we might say is, or we might see equals. We might even see equal to. Okay, something that lets you know that it's equal to something. Okay, so let's talk about an expression. An expression does not have an equal sign. Does not have an equal sign. Okay, so it may look something like this. You may see 5 plus 4. You may see x plus 7. You may see n plus 6. Okay, none of them have an equal sign. So if they don't have an equal sign, that's an expression. So let's look at it in word form. In word form, it may it may look something like this: a number plus 6. Okay, if we were to write this out, we would write a number. Again, we don't know what the number is, so we'll just use n, and then plus 6. Okay, there's no kind of indication that it equals anything. Okay, it doesn't say a number plus 6 is 10. It doesn't say a number plus 6 equals 10, or a number plus 6 is equal to. Okay, it's just saying a number plus 6. That's just simple. Okay, that's an expression. So the difference between the equation and the expression is the equal sign, or the words that mean equals, like is or equals or equal to. Okay,